DIKO is a secure, reliable, and feature-filled electronic document record management system that can support your end-to-end data requirements completely. It offers a knowledge repository to protect and manage the captured information. In this video, we'll be going over some of the advanced functions of DIKO. We will be going over the following topics: category shelf and how to integrate this function with folders and files, filing manually versus automatically filing, advanced search via document search, category search, and full text search, how full text search and OCR works, and a demonstration on merge printing. Under System Category Shelf is where you can create categories. Click on Add Category and you will see the interface to add attributes and other settings. Add Attribute will add a field of an attribute where you can give it a name. We will name it Test Date. The attribute name will be the same as the category name. You can also select a data type, such as text, date, number, boolean, etc. We will try using date and give it a check for mandatory. Now it will appear as one of the categories. How do we integrate this custom category with folders and files? Well, let's go to the corporate library and add a new folder. You will find the category we just created under Display Category. Choose Test Date and the attributes for that category will pop up on the right side. Let's give the folder a name of Test Date Folder and save. Now if we click into the Test Date Folder, you will see a new category on the top part of Folder View, which will include all of the attributes that we created. This can help you sort a folder with many files and different attributes. Let's add a file to this folder so we can see what the category does. We will add a random PDF file and give it a date attribute of today's date. Note that this is mandatory to add a value because we checked the mandatory checkbox when creating this category. After saving the file, you will see that it has a test date category and we will be able to use it for sorting. Now that we've learned how to integrate category attributes with folders and files, let's take a look at an actual example of how this function can help. Go back to the corporate library. We'll take a look at the job log folder. As you can see under Nicholas Wynn PC 2 folder, there are a lot of files, all with many attributes, like computer name, device name, product name, serial number, station ID, and number of copies, which can all help you sort the files. Notice that the folders Nicholas PC and 2 are actually corresponding to the computer name and station ID fields. This takes us to our next topic, which is auto-filing documents. If you wanted to create folders organized by category attributes, like computer name as first folder and station ID as second folder, you can manually create the folders one by one, or use our auto-filing system. Let us go back to System Category Shelf and take a look at the job log category. You will notice that in the settings on the bottom, there are two fields that have been filled out: Filing Parent ID and Category Filing Rule. Filing Parent ID is the folder ID of the folder that will hold the files and folders created with category filing. You can find a folder's ID by looking at its properties. Category Filing Rules dictates which category attributes to use when creating folders. The folders are created in the order that you add them under Category Filing Rule. Let's look at an example of this filing. We will add a new document using the category job log and fill in the mandatory attributes. There will be two folders created automatically, with the outer folder being the computer name and the inner folder being the station ID. This function is called auto-filing and can help create folders organized by their category attribute, and it works alongside Category Shelf to achieve this function. This can save a lot of time and help organize documents much easier. There could be a very large knowledge base with many different layers of folders that even category attributes could not help you find what you are looking for. This is why we have the advanced searching function. DIKO has an extremely powerful indexing system, which makes it very easy to find important files amongst a large knowledge base. Through the advanced searching function, you can search for your items in a specific folder or the entire DIKO. Three main ways you can search for documents is through document search, category search, and full text search. Document search lets you search for documents via their properties. Category search allows you to search for documents via a certain category's attribute values. And full text search, which allows for you to search for documents via their texts. Please note that in order to use full text search, documents must have gone through OCR. An image file or PDF file that has not gone through OCR will not be searchable. We will demonstrate a full text search. We will search with quotes for demonstration. You can see the 4 files that have the demonstration word in our knowledge base. Let's take a look at one of the files. Indeed, there is a demonstration word within the text. Let's say we wanted to print all of the files with the word demonstration. We could use the merge print function. Simply select all the files and click merge print. This is useful for saving time instead of having to print out files separately and combining them. To sum it up, in this video we learned the following topics: category shelf and how to integrate this function with folders and files, filing manually versus automatically filing, advanced searching via document search, category search, and full text search, how full text search in OCR works, and a demonstration on merge printing.